The new accounts department has been very busy at Houston's Unity National Bank, with hundreds of new customers signing up over the last few days.
It was just time to really put my money where my mouth was and put that into test. You can do all those things, but sometimes the change has to come with supporting our businesses.
One of those businesses is Unity Bank on Blodgett in Houston, chartered back in 1985.
We have the Indian community, the Pakistani community to come in, and we're very pleased with that. That all of those did come in during that 72-hour period, but it was predominantly African American. I think the primary reason was the new consciousness of the African American community that they want to do business with African American owned enterprises and business, and that's I think the main focus.
Customers say Unity is just as competitive as your Bank of America's and the Wells Fargo's, while also having the same services. Scroggins also says just because it's black-owned doesn't mean the doors aren't open to all races. But for now, he's seeing more people like Quincy King, someone who's hoping to send a message to the country he feels neglected by.
It's enough to just say some things, but when you start actually getting out, moving your money, trying to help make some of these decisions, and moving those monies to the place of the decision makers, I think you're doing a good thing.
My name is George G. Andrews, and I run the Atlanta operations for Unity National Bank. Unity National Bank is an African-American owned and operated financial institution that started in 1964 in Houston, Texas. We are a full-service bank. We provide all kinds of financial services products, such as the PPP loan from SBA, the SBA 504, the SBA 7A. We make regular conventional loans, commercial loans to finance your equipment. We make loans to finance your building. So we do all kinds of financial services to promote the community. I am a proud supporter of Overground Railroad. We have worked with Overground Railroad for many years at another bank that I founded. We thank God that we have an Overground Railroad who has been a pillar in this community and who have brought about invaluable services to small businesses, especially African-American owned and operated businesses. So we would like to thank Overground Railroad for the fine job that they have done, and we would ask that you would think of supporting Unity National Bank. Support us so that we can help support the community. And again, my name is George G. Andrews, and I can be reached at area code 404-588-9611. My email address is gandrews@unitybanktexas.com. And you feel free to go to our website. That is www.unitybanktexas.com. I guarantee you will be served with the utmost in professionalism and quality personal service. Thank you very much.